welcome to English Talk Podcast. So in today's podcast, not podcast, we're going to do a video. So this one, it's just like a cooking video that I decided to do it. Like we're going to do some, cabbage. We've got some cabbage here. And then enoki mushrooms and then eggs, boiled eggs. This one I already boiled. And this one I found a recipe on the internet. Like it's so popular, like everyone's do it. Like yeah, everyone does it. So I just wanted to try. So this one is my first time trying to do this one. Actually it's not the first time, but last time I did it with fish meat. So it's kind of different. And last time I did it at home. So this one I do it by myself. So I'm really curious like how it's gonna turn out to be. So I actually filmed like the previous one a little about that, like the introduction, but then it turned out that I call this cabbage, I call it cabbage, so it's actually the different meanings. So I decided to film it again. So this one we have got some cabbage leaves here. This one I bought it yesterday and I already washed it. And this one I already talked, like we call it enoki mushroom, and then we have boiled eggs. So this one we're gonna put the cabbage leaf in the steam pot. Here we already, it's too hot. Wait, it's a bit too hot. So we're gonna put the leaf here, which I already done obviously the video again. So maybe we'll, sorry, that's the alarm clock. Now it's 7 a.m. So yeah, it's my breakfast. So I already woke up like 2 hours ago and I just drank some, like protein shake. So here I'm just gonna cook my meal for today. Yeah, so this is probably gonna be some introduction. Let you guys see the ingredients, all of the things that we're gonna do. And I'm not sure if it will turn out well or not, but we'll talk about it later, okay? So, yeah. let's see how it's gonna turn out to be. Because we're gonna use this one to wrap up our eggs, our boiled eggs. So we're just gonna put the leaves here. Okay, so first you gotta boil it. Not boil it, I mean just make it. Oh, what's how to do with this one? Make it cooked. Like really steam the leaves. So when it's soft, we can wrap it around the eggs. And here we also got enoki mushroom. How to open it? Open the lid is a bit hard with one hand. So here I also got enoki mushroom that I washed it before, like yesterday. So I prepared the ingredients since yesterday, so we're gonna do it today. Yeah, so now we're just gonna close the lid. Wait, I think I can put it more. Oh, so cute. Yeah, so let's see. I'm not sure it would turn out well or not because it's just something that first time trying with this pot. Because last time I did it at home, so my home is got a bigger pot. Here it's just like a weird little pot, so I closed the lid. And we're probably gonna wait until it's done, until it's soft. Yeah, so maybe the ingredients that we need is the cabbage, like one cabbage, so you wash it thoroughly. And then we got enoki. I really love this one, and mostly I would do it with instant noodles. But today I decreased my sodium intake, so we're gonna decrease that. So I'm not gonna eat that much of instant noodles. Okay, so here we're gonna close it. We're gonna wait it. I think I started to see some results, like it's gonna finish soon. So after the first batch, we're gonna wrap it up. Maybe I'm gonna try with this one because I don't want it to be wasted. So yeah, that's it. So after finish that, we're gonna maybe boil a little of the enoki mushroom together with a cabbage leaf. Yeah, so okay, I'll see you again after I finish this one, and we're gonna continue doing some egg cuts. We're gonna cut some boiled eggs. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now after we wait for a while, I think it's already finished. It's really soft right now. I think it's probably gonna finish it now. So yeah, let's open the lid. It's too hot. What I'm gonna do? Oh, so yeah, it looks a bit bad. Why it looks like that? It's okay. So we're gonna put some enoki mushroom here, and this one we're gonna boil it first. Yeah, okay, we're gonna boil it first. So I'm gonna first, oh, I think it's too hot. Oh, this is first. Okay, let's try a bit more. I'm not sure how much you're gonna put it. Maybe a little bit more. Oh, it's too hot. Everyone's too hot. Got to be careful. Don't wanna get injured. Won't get hurt by that. So yeah, this one. So then we put enoki mushroom on top of the cabbage. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do some wrap. Seems like I just put anything in here. Okay, so next we're gonna peel the eggs while waiting this one to be done. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna close the lid again and wait a bit more until it's cooked. It's too hot. Yeah, so yeah, just peel this one. Now we're gonna see. Actually, it's pretty simple. I don't know why I filmed this, but since I haven't done our podcast for a while due to some, like a lot of homework, and my internship is about to start, so I got to prepare a lot about the study, so I don't have much time to do a lot of things. So today I just think that it's gonna be fun to make some videos, so I just decided to do it, and yeah, let's do it. So first we're gonna open this one. This one my parents already bought it for me, so they came to see me like yesterday. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna eat it. So yeah, next one I'm gonna peel the egg. So I'm probably not gonna record it. I'm gonna come back with a finished look of peeling eggs. Yeah, so okay, let's see. It's kind of like, it's a bit harder to just, film and stop because it's kind of messy here. Alright, but it's gonna be fun. Okay. So now we have got boiled eggs, like already peeled. I use only 2 eggs, like 2 boiled eggs, because 1 egg, it gives you like 7 grams of protein. And here we've got 14 grams of protein, and each day everyone needs like 1 to 2 grams times your weight. Yeah, to make sure that you get enough protein each day. So that's why I decided to go with 2 eggs, like too much isn't good. So here, this one we already finished the steam. Okay, I'm gonna say it, like the truth, like it doesn't look good. It looks so weird. It doesn't look good at all. So I'm not waiting it until it's cooled down. So we wait until it cools down a bit, and then we're gonna wrap the cabbage around the eggs and put some enoki mushroom on top of that. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna see. I don't think we can do it right now. Let me test it. No, okay, I can try. This one? Oh, yeah. I think it's fine. This one looks like chicken breast, but it's actually enoki mushroom. Oh, it looks a bit gross though. But yeah, it will be fine, because I'm the one who eat it. So that's gonna be fine. So this one, since this one is too big, right? So we're just gonna cut it into 4 pieces for 1 egg. So yeah, that's how we do it. Oh, normally I just order out, like order food from outside. This one is my first time trying. And the dish, actually the plate we use is like compostable. We call that let me see. I'm not sure the name of it. In Thai, it's like by all of the plate something. Sorry. Oh, I don't want anyone to see my room. Let me see. We call it compostable Australian plate. Yeah. In Thai, it's called Dan Pa Shiwa. I'm not sure. Like, what's the name of it? So yeah, it's just a plate that you can use it and you just throw it away after you're using it. So since I don't cook so often, I decided to use with this plate. So after finished it, I just can't throw it away. Yeah. So we're waiting until it's done. Oh, let's cool down a bit. It's too hot. It's too hot now. I'm gonna find a way to do it later. So yeah, we're gonna come back again lastly with a finished look of this one and how you're gonna eat it. Or I'm just gonna cut it right here. Okay, so let's see again. Okay, so now we've got, I already bring out the leaves here, and we've got enoki mushroom here. So I wear a glove because I always like have a glove with me in case I don't want to wash my hands. And then this one, we're gonna put the egg in here, and we're gonna roll it. You know, this one. Oh, it looks a bit bad. Oh, actually, it doesn't look good, but gotta film it. Oh my gosh. This one? Oh. Oh, it's too hot. This one. So we've got one of them here. Yeah. So this lid can stand hot, like, yeah. So make sure you use the one that really use it in the microwave or something. Yeah, maybe you're wondering why I used the knife to actually pick up my cabbage, just because it's just too hot to use it with hands, but I think we can do it. So this is the way you do it. You put the leaf first, and then you just bring some enoki mushroom. Oh my gosh, look, what is this one? Oh, it's too hot. Okay, so we try with enoki mushroom. Enoki mushroom looks really soggy. It's like, doesn't look well, but it's really soft though. Yeah, it's really soft, so it's easy to eat. I'm not sure if maybe I steam it too much, so it doesn't have like a texture, or vitamin probably be gone, but it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. So this one, put the egg here, and we're just gonna roll up. This one. Oh no. Wait. Oh my gosh. It looks weird. No. So I think we need like much larger leaves. But I can't even put it on my mouth. So yeah, we're gonna do it for 8. Yeah, all of the 8 here. I peel it. Which one? So we're gonna do it one last time. So, and then we're gonna put it on a plate to show you that I'm gonna do it all by myself. And I'm not sure if I can upload it before in the morning. No, sorry, actually, like before noon. I'm gonna do some eating. Oh, it's too hot. So yeah, I really love enoki mushroom, so we're gonna put it a lot. And I'm probably gonna boil it more because I cannot really wrap it all with just this. So yeah, we're gonna go with small eggs. This one. Actually this one doesn't cover well. What are we gonna do with it? This one. Yeah, so it's like kind of like a homemade, like kind of healthy food that you just very low calories, so you can just make it by yourself. But it's, yeah, obviously easier to just order it. Some of you might be wondering like why I suddenly just make some cooking videos, because I actually yesterday I watched a lot of cooking program. I feel like I want to be a chef, so that's why I decided to make this video out of the blue, you know, like, yeah, so sudden, it's so random, and I just love it. I think this one we boiled too much, so you see like it's not that green anymore. That means like it lost all of the vitamins. Yeah, so it's not good. So maybe next time we can use less time to actually boil or steam these things. Okay, and you just dip it with maybe some hot sauce, or you just can eat it, you know, like clean, like just this one. Let me try. Should I try? Let me try it first. So this one I'm gonna eat it. Not bad. It's actually pretty good without any dipping. But if you want it to be a bit of like more flavor, you can add something in there. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you have a good Thursday. Today is Thursday. Yeah, have a good week, weekdays, weekend, whatsoever. I'll probably gonna see you again next time. Bye.